How to convert or change currency on Revolut. If you are trying to change or convert currency on this app, first thing you have to do is just make sure that you are logged into your account. And then once you land on your homepage, the interface should look something like this. And now what you need to do next is tap on the more options right besides details, the three lines or the three dots, and then tap on it. Then here another pop-up will show up which has exchange, statement, converter, and themes. So if you just want to exchange or convert the currency or check the conversion rate, you could just have a converter. But along with the conversion, if you want to buy and sell or exchange your currency, you can tap on exchange. Now from here, the first option is euros and the second one is pounds. So if you want to change the first option to any other currency, you can just go ahead and tap on the drop down. And from this list, you can select any of the currency that you want. And after that, you should be able to enter the number that you want to convert. And it will show you the number with the correct conversion rate. And that's how you basically convert on the Revolut app. After doing all of this, if you tap on review order, you should be able to see all of the order details, along with price, exchange fees, and estimated total proceeds. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.